Pictek RGB Gaming Keyboard USB Wired Keyboard, Crater Architecture Backlit Computer Keyboard with 8 independent multimedia keys, 25 keys anti-ghosting, splash-proof, ideal for PC Mac game, black. 7-color RGB LED Rainbow Backlight. 5 backlight modes. USB keyboard are available from the changing of single color to 7-color, providing you with immersing gaming experience. Both the characters and intercharacter gap are illuminating, and the lighting effect is even. 4-degree adjustable lightness meets different needs during daytime-nighttime use. To avoid disturbing, press FN page down to turn off the backlight during the night or during work. 8 independent multimedia keys and 12 shortcut keys to facilitate the operation of your entertainment or gaming. There are 8 independent multimedia keys to offer more convenience. Meanwhile, the 12 shortcut keys will help a lot during your work or daily use to promote the efficiency and enhance the using experience. Crater architecture and excellent performance compared to common computer keyboard. Crater architecture gaming keyboard stands out with independent structure and 2 times longer key life, which passed over 10,000,000 times of keystroke test. Moderate elasticity of